Today is day 43 of 3D printing something useful every single day. Since I've been printing all of this cool stuff for my videos, I'm left with a bunch of these partial spools of filament that aren't enough for a full print. So I 3D printed this. It's a spool winder, so I can attach the ends of two partial spools, and then I could reel the rest of one onto the other. Once the parts were finished printing, I brought them over to my workbench to assemble. Once this contraption was assembled, it was time to load up the partial spools of filament, and you're probably wondering how I'm going to attach the two ends. I'm going to use a soldering iron, and I'm also going to use one of these silicone sleeves. The trick that makes this work is that the melting point of the filament is lower than that of the silicone sleeve, and as the filament heats up inside the tube, the two ends fuse together. Then you can cut off the tube and start cranking the reel, and this thing turns the spools super fast, but I think I can make it just a little bit faster. So I 3D printed this tiny piece in about 20 minutes. It's an adapter, so I could use a drill instead of cranking it by hand. At first it was working great, but then it exploded into a bunch of pieces while I was using it. So if you want to see more cool 3D prints like this, make sure you follow PrintLayer.